Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Mr. Beast Panther lab mutation. Now, if you guys like this cool figure and want to see more, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try some more. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin here and I'll make a little line here. And then we'll make another line over here. I'm going to come down and then connect this. You can see I kind of curved that line. We'll do that same thing here. Down and then connect it with a curve. Then we'll put a little black dot inside each one. Next, let's bring this around and down for an eyebrow. The same thing, kind of up and around and then down for the eyebrow. Then I like to make a little line underneath each eye. Right here, we'll make a little curve for the top of the head. Next, right here, we'll make a little line that comes out and in, out and in. Now let's make those little lightning bolts over here. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up and down. Same thing here, up and down. We'll go up and down again. Up and down again. Then we'll come up and then down. Up and then down. Now for the ears, let's bring this to a point and then come in. Same thing, bring it to a point and then in. Kind of curve it up and down here, and then a little curve here. Now for the nose. Let's make like a big wide V shape. Then a little diagonal line on each side. Come in and in. Up and up. And then another V shape. Now let's make the mouth. So I'm going to begin out here. I'm going to curve this up and down. And we're going to bring it to here. And we'll just kind of work the opposite way. We'll go down and then up and then curve it down. We're going to bring this line down. We'll bring it up and then connect to here. I want to make a big sharp tooth here, and we'll make another one here. Then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 points. Then we're going to make 4 little triangle shapes down here, kind of spread out a little bit. We'll curve up and down, and then up and down. Next, I'm going to curve this around and up. Curve this around and then up here. Next, I'm going to make a big smiley face here for the body. Then let's make the arms. We're going to start here. We're going to make a line that comes out and a little line that comes out. We're going to curve this up and down for the thumb. Same thing, bring this up, over, and then down for the thumb. Then we're going to go out, down, and in. We'll go another shape here, and then one more right here. We'll curve it in. Then we're going to bring it right up to here. Then we'll do that same thing over here. Kind of bring this out, down, and in. Make another one here, and then one more here. And then bring it up. And we'll kind of bring it in. Then right here, I'm going to make a couple little zigzag lines to connect. I'll draw a little line here. Next, I'm going to make a little line down and a little line down. And then we'll just kind of connect it like this. Now we're going to make the really short feet. So we're going to curve a line, and we're going to curve a line for the legs. And then right here, we're going to make a little rounded shape, and then we'll make 3 more. Make 2, 3, and then 4, and connect. Same thing here, we're going to make a little kind of square shape, and then we'll make 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and connect. Make this come over and up, and I'll make this come over and up. Then we'll just make like some little squares on the ends here. And then we're going to make these little kind of square shapes right on the ends of the fingers here. So we're just going to make these little squares. And these are going to kind of be like the fingernails. So we'll just make them right along here. Then we're going to kind of curve these in a little bit. So we're going to kind of curve them in just to kind of show where the fingers are. Make these come down a little farther. And then we'll put a nice big oval shape in the middle. And there you go. There is your drawing of the hypercharged panther from the Mr. Beast Lab Swarms. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.